start from page number 63.
Yes, right now who's
Page number 64.
Page number 63.
okay, I'll tell you. Just wait for a second. Let me check. One of the assignment just pop up on my screen. And who is this?
Sir, can you please speak a bit louder?
I will try my best. Okay, that's fine. So yes, Munazza, finally your assignment
Yes, sir.
reaches to me. And
Sir, actually, it became very difficult in exam to send you, and I
no,
was supposed like
actually,
I explained it.
I gave it on.
I have written my own words.
Okay, that's
Yes, sir, I
very
know.
good. That's
I am a very big.
that's
I am a
very
very
good.
big forgetter. I forget
No,
everything.
no. Everyone. Okay. So yes, I will start today with boys. Yes, boys. Still no one from the boys side.
Sir, have you checked my notes?
No, just click.
You got my assignment?
Umrah, just let me tell you. I noted your name. Uh,
And sir, my Mohammad Umar Khan.
no, stand me or just saying. Nabiha,
I said
Fatima,
on your
Zafar,
personal number.
Sadiqa, Shakil, Umrah. Yes, Umrah, I got it. And Rema Khalid also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have sent on your personal number.
When you
Mohammad
send
Umar.
me, when you send me, Umar,
And Umrah send. So on same mobile I have sent. Umrah and I.
means you are with the same. Your assignment will be same for both. You write
No,
different.
sir.
No?
First I send. Then on that mobile only Umrah send.
Okay, okay. Okay, you send me again. Let me check. And you send me again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. From starting from the boys' side. Yes, boys, will you please continue today's very interesting topic we are discussing. And okay, so yes, boys, tell me what is we going to start and what are our topics. Yes, beta.
Atomic
Anyone?
model.
Okay, okay. What is that? Tell me a brief about Bohr's atomic model, planetary
Sir,
planetary model and Bohr's model. Anyone can tell me, especially from boys' side. Okay, yes, from
sir,
boys'
it
side.
is that in this how these particles were arranged into atoms.
Into atoms.
In this we will.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Anyone from the boys' side can tell me about this. What's that? Okay. So,
Should I tell?
wait, beta. Boys, please become active. Okay. Yes. What is planetary motion basically?
Sir, should I tell?
Yes, beta.
Sir, should I tell?
Yes, tell. Munazza, you tell.
Sir,
The planetary model, right? Okay. So the planetary model, sir, in our solar system, there is sun in the middle and planets revolve around it.
Okay.
So if we just consider electrons side by side, then we can consider sun as nucleus,
Okay. And what about
sun
the
as
revolving?
nucleus, and the planets as electrons.
Okay.
And orbits are imaginary, the same way the shells are imaginary. So the same way how the planets revolve around the sun in their own fixed orbits, the
This is only for
electrons
these, no?
revolve around the nucleus in their own orbits, in their own shells.
Okay. That's
So
right.
this is
Okay.
the planetary model.
Basically, this is
sir, can I
just
answer?
yes. You can also discuss with the same on the same topic. Yes, beta.
Okay, sir. So we are taking the electrons as the planets. And as the structure of the atom is similar to a solar system, like we consider nucleus as the sun, and the orbits all around that are considered to be the shells on which the electrons are revolving, and we have the electrons all around. So, and there is one more very important point which Munaza missed there. Like in the solar system, what we do is like the planet which is the nearest to the sun, it receives maximum sunlight, and
Okay.
as
And
we
what
go farther and
similarly
farther,
about energy
the
also, na?
sunlight people. Yes, sir.
Similarly for energies also. Different
Yeah,
shells have
Yes,
exactly.
sir.
basically. Okay. Yes,
As we
continue.
go farther and farther, the sunlight of the sun keeps on reducing. So the same is in here. As we go farther from, as the shell keeps on increasing, the energy gets decreasing. I'm sorry,
Increasing or
it gets
The
decreasing?
increasing,
energy gets
increasing,
increased.
Increases.
increasing. The nearest shell which is there,
But sir,
the
in
nearest
this,
shell which is there, the nucleus,
Mm,
it is, having a
but sir,
gravitational magnetic pull.
okay.
Because in the nucleus we are having positive charges, and the electrons are negative. So the opposite charges are attracting each other, therefore there is a magnetic pull there. So as we go further and further, so the level of attraction keeps on decreasing and energy increases.
Okay. So these orbits, which you told, are
That
called
is why
as,
it resembles.
okay, these are called as energy shells, or we can say just simply
Yes.
shells, energy levels or shells.
ALMN.
Okay. So this is your nucleus. Yes. Mehtab Nader, are you there, beta? Mehtab Nader. Mehtab Nader, you are not performing in the last class also. Okay. Yes, Sheikh Vidyan, are you there? Or like earlier also, you left somewhere. Okay. Osama Kareem. Okay.
Sir, बता रहे हैं,
Yes, Sheikh Vidyan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, beta, about Bohr's atomic model as just discussed about. Okay. So these are electrons which are revolving. Okay. The electrons are just revolving in it. Please continue. Yes, beta. Continue. Osama. Yes, beta.
Yes, sir.
Osama. Yes, tell me about Bohr's atomic model. What are shells? What do you mean by how their energy levels are different? Yes, what is ground state? Basically, there are some excited state, ground state. What you have read about this? Yes, Fatima Zafar, please you tell. You are raising your hand. You tell me. Yes, Fatima Zafar, beta. Fatima
Sir,
Zafar,
the
you tell.
energy level, the electron
You
occupies
just start,
the energy
start,
level. It is
start.
called.
Beta, start from the beginning. Just tell me what is first thing is planetary model. What is that?
Okay, sir. So Rutherford's atomic model is also known as the planetary model because in that in the solar system we are having that in the middle there is a sun, and around the sun the planets revolve. And similarly, the Rutherford's
Okay.
atomic model was also a bit like that. And that's what was there, that the sun, the nucleus was, we can take the nucleus as the sun, and there were the protons and neutrons in the nucleus, and the electrons can be said as the planets because they were revolving around the nucleus, and the orbits, that the shells we can say in an atom.
Hmm.
The
Okay
orbits
then.
are based on the orbits, and
Okay.
and
And they are revolving in it and with the same speed. how they are revolving in it. Okay, electrons revolve around the nucleus only in a fixed or circular orbit called shells. Is it clear? They
Yes,
are
sir.
called as shells, or another name for it is energy level. Okay, means these are shells or energy levels. So there is a particular path, only this path electrons will move, not in between somewhere. Okay, this is a specified way of for revolving the electrons around the nucleus. Okay, is it clear to everyone? And but they cannot occupy space in between. They cannot occupy the space because there are certain reasons. We can study it later also, and that because the force of attraction, some forces attracted by the nucleus and some force is there due to rotation, centripetal force are acting also. Okay, the inward attractive force is there, which is by nucleus, you can say that, and outward force is also there, so the balance is maintained.
Sir, my name is Muhammad Ali.
Beta, wait for a second. And balance is there. Yes, who is raising your hand? Yes, Ariz, yes, tell me.
Yes, sir.
You tell me what you want to say.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Sir, my name is Muhammad Ali.
Yes, tell me, Walaikum Salam. Tell me what you are trying to say. What do you have any confusion, query?
Sir, which book you have to write?
Which book?
Sir, I think he is not of our class. He seems to be of junior classes.
Yes, sir. He is of junior class. He is not of our class.
Because Ari's voice is very. Yes, yes. Tell me this thing that why they do not come in between this path. As I just told you,
Yes, sir. What did you say? Can you
I'm
please
saying
repeat?
that why they have a particular path, why they do not get intermixed, or collision is there, why they do not collide.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, they don't collide. Why you're asking?
yes, I'm saying that why they do not collide.
Sir, should I tell?
Yes, Manazza, you are telling. Just think over it. It will be the same as the
Nothing.
planets do not collide. You can same the
Sir,
answer.
should I tell?
Sir, it is because due to the gravitational force and the energy which is present in them.
Gravitational force is present in them, or the force by the nucleus.
No, not gravity, but the force which nucleus is taking with the electrons.
Okay, then
Sir, it is electromagnetic force.
electromagnetic force. Okay,
Sir,
that's
how
very.
is it electromagnetic force?
But this is a magnetic
Sir, can I
strength.
tell my
Okay, you
answer,
will
please?
study
Sir,
this
can I
thing.
tell my answer?
Just hold on. Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, this is a concept which is comes in class 11 and 12. Magnetic quantums are there. Okay, magnetic strengths are there. Okay, they have some orientations, means clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is very good. Where you read this?
Sir, can I tell my answer?
Okay, you can continue, beta. Now it's become interesting, this chemistry. Yes, maths is coming to it and it becomes very good. Yes, beta. So shells are there and I'm making these shells, and also see the maximum energy possessed by the electron is with the shell which is very close to the nucleus or which is very far from the nucleus.
So,
Yes,
sir, the energy shell which is there very close to the nucleus.
having more energy.
I think the
No, sir, the
higher-
energy shell which is far from the nucleus have the most energy.
Shell
And
here
the
also
nearest
shells,
valence
shells
electron.
have a
Minimum.
fixed shells have a, it is also here that shells, listen, shells have a fixed size, okay, and energy also. You see the sizes of the shells are fixed, they are not variable, and at the same time the energies are fixed, okay, in the shell. And you see, as we go away from the shell, the okay, as we go away from the shell, okay, so the shells are, as we go away from the nucleus, the number of shells are increasing, okay, and the size also increases. And we can say the electron normally occupies the energy level. This is called as its ground state. Okay, listen this word normally. Okay, and it can jump to a higher level also. The difference between the two energy or the energy levels is less stable. Excited state. You see, it is all semiconductors. When you make semiconductor, you have to make the electron to excited state. Okay, this is you can say that if you want to if you want to uh, take someone out from the particular orbit, so you have to give some extra energy to it so that it can move to another shell. Okay, that's why it is called as excited, or electrons are in excited state. Yes, who is raising the hand? Yes, Fatima Zafar. Okay, Fatima Zafar, yes, you can ask.
I don't.
So lower your hand then. Okay, so this is called, and these shells are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, depending. And you will study this also in the first shell, that is called K shell. Okay, I rub it all. The first shell is called as K shell, and second shell is called as KL shell. Okay, so and there's also some limitations. Okay, not all the electrons are uh, all together in a one shell. Okay, so only there is a capacity in the first shell. Okay, only it has a capacity to hold 2 electrons. Okay, only 2 electrons are there, and in the next two is 8. Okay, when you want to make the electrons come in the next energy level, means orbit, what you have to do, it is all you know that if someone is moving with a constant speed and particular path, their path is fixed. Extra work you have to do to distract it. Okay, so you have to give some energies so that it can move to another orbit. This is called excited state. Okay, the higher the energy level, however, is less the stable, and it is called excited. The electrons can jump back from the excited to a lower level by releasing. This is obvious. If you want to take it back to its original orbit, you just release the energy. Okay, you see when you give some energy, this electron get to this place, and when you lower down the energy again, then it will move to this place. Means this the same electron will move to this place also, or get to its back to its position. Is it clear? So this thing should be very much clear, that from here you should be calculations are there, I think, and your, I think it's not given, it's not your 8 standards beyond that. Okay, so you should be very much clear that 2 shells are there, energy levels are there. So these are things which you have to clear this concept, because this is the first stage, and after that you will having some basic, these are the basic of the energy levels and shells, and upcoming classes you will have some more. Yes, anyone have some want to ask me something or want to tell me about this? Yes, what is, anyone can tell me about modern atomic model, was that? And yes, anyone can raise your hand and also tell me about Molten atomic model. What's that? Can anyone read it? And yes, only the two students wants to study, only two students wants to fulfill their dreams, only two students wants to become very good, become excellent in their subjects. Only two students are sincere in the class. What about the remaining beta? I told this participation is important, no matter you are right or wrong. Participation should be there. Yes, anyone can either tell me, just read it and tell me. Anyone just raise your hand and tell me about this modern atomic model. Still, no one shows your sincerity. Yes, Fatima Zafar, Umrah, finally, Umar Khan and Umrah
Yes,
come.
sir. Yes, sir. I want to tell about the modern atomic model.
Yes, please,
And
beta.
the modern atomic model is based on the Bohr's atomic model. And the thing is that
Yes, what happened?
yes, sir.
Yes.
So in this, it is that the atom is the smallest particle of matter which cannot exist independently, and it comprises of the fundamental particles, the subatomic particles, which are the electrons, the protons, and the neutrons. And the electrons carry the negative charge, the proton carry the positive charge, and the neutron is not having any charge, it's neutral, because of which the atom is also electrically neutral. And now
Why,
most parts,
why they are electrically neutral? Tell me this thing. Because
sir, it is
neutron,
electrically.
as neutron is neutral, that's why atomic atom is neutral.
No, sir.
Well, then, okay, good question comes. Yes, beta, tell me. Everyone first lower your hand. That's why, because first lower your hand, please. Navia Munazza, please lower your hand. Fatima Zafar. Yes, who will tell you? Yes, that why atom is neutral. Yes, Fatima Zafar, you tell me. Why atoms are considered neutral?
Sir, because the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, and the minus charge and the negative charge on the electrons, and the positive charge
On
on the
positive,
neutrons.
positive charge on the neutron. How come? Positive charge on neutron. Fatma Zafar, what you are saying? Neutron is positively charged or neutral? Yes, Sadaka Shakil. Yes, Sadaka Shakil, you can tell me. I unmute you. Abdul Awwal, you are not there. Huh? Yes, Umrah. Fatima Zafar. Munazza.
Yes, so should I tell how they're electrically neutral?
Sir,
Yes,
actually,
tell.
there is a lot of disturbance
Sir,
in my
the
background that I'm not
electrical-
able to tell you the answer.
Okay.
So should I
Yes,
continue?
beta. Yes,
So
continue.
they're
Beta.
electrically neutral because the number of proton is equal to the number of electrons, and
Okay.
neutrons have neutral charge.
Yes.
They have no charge basically. So that is
Okay.
why neutron's charge is not considered, only its mass is considered.
Okay.
And
So
the charges of protons and electrons are considered.
okay. So there's a term also called as atomic number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which tells that atomic number, what atomic number tells basically.
Should I tell that?
Atom. How much? Okay. Yes, some poll. Let's see what have the Malik. Yes, atomic number. Atomic number is basically it's the sum of it's the number of protons, or we can say it's the number of electrons. Okay, electrons, and if they are the electrons are 12, then atomic numbers are 12. Okay, or we can say that number of, so from this we can say the number of electron should be same with number of proton. Okay, that is why atoms is electrically neutral. That is why atom is electrically neutral. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So continue with what are nucleons then? There's a word nucleons. What
Should
are
I
they?
tell?
Yes, sure.
They are protons
Protons plus
plus neutrons, nucleons. Neutrons.
nucleons. Yes.
The
Okay.
proton plus neutron together
Yes.
are called nucleons.
Nucleon. By mistaken, she said. Don't worry. Okay. So neutrons.
And so in this atomic number, there is one question.
Wait. Neutron plus. Yes. Tell me. Yes. Tell me, beta.
So should I tell that question?
Yes. Continue.
So that question is that why is the other? Why is that considered only for protons? Why don't we say that atomic number equals to electrons when proton and electrons are equal? Should I tell the answer also?
Okay. Sure.
Okay. So we don't say that because protons, the number of protons in every element is different, but the number of electrons can be same.
Why?
And
Okay,
also,
that's
sir,
it gives very good. I I am very much impressed that such type of discussions should be there. Okay, and this gives another topic that's called
so
isotopes.
should I tell that also answer?
Isotope.
That why the number of proton is fixed?
Okay, I'll tell it later. Let the other give a chance. Yes, better. Continue with the same answer.
Okay, sir. So,
That's
sir,
ideal.
the number of electrons is different in, it can be different in same elements also even, which are isotopes. If you study further.
That is what I'm saying. It gives a rise to another question. Okay, just beta,
Yes,
please. I can say I can request you also. Okay.
These concepts are interrelated.
Please participate. Actually, okay. Science means participation. Yes. Who is this? I'm open to all who are raising your hands because.
Yes, sir. Can I tell why electron, the number of protons is equal
Please,
to the number of
please speaking
electrons,
and
please?
speaking. We're not getting chance.
Okay. Yes, I just so I unmute all who are raising your hand. Just tell me one by
Sir,
one.
can I tell the
And
answer of this? That why
Huh.
why proton is equals to electron?
Yes, you can tell me.
Sir, because proton always remains the same, but the electron can be changed by the sharing of electrons.
by the bondings.
By the bondings, you can say. Okay. And
Answer also the number of proton is fixed because protons can't move. They are tightly bounded inside the nucleus. That is why they can't, their number can't be changed.
okay. And just about to my laptop's about to discharge.
So even my mobile is about to discharge.
Okay. So beta, yes, anyone can tell me more about that. Yes, if suppose that if there are 5 shells and there are electrons are in all these shells, so which if I want to remove electrons, so from which shell it is easy to remove the electrons?
So should I tell?
Beta, wait.
Sir, should I tell?
Beta, all of you, please, all of you take part in discussion. Okay, don't matter, don't think whether you are right or wrong, just participate in discussion so that your concept, your confusions, whatever, so see, like right now one question gives a rise to another question, so this is the benefit of discussion. Group discussions are there, that's why. Yes, beta. Who is this? Manazza Kafil. Yes, anyone? Yes,
Yes,
I
sir.
mute you and all. Okay, so that you can do. You can talk now and mute you. Don't put yourself. Yes. Yes, beta. Please tell me
Yes, sir. About what, sir?
about this. I'm
So
telling.
should I tell the answer?
Yes, you tell.
Okay, sir. So it is the
Sir,
most
please
easy to
ask
remove
this
from
question
the.
so that I can answer.
Yes, Manazza,
Please,
continue. Manazza,
please,
continue.
please.
So to from the valence shell,
Yes, from what is valence shell then? Well, yes, anybody from the
because
boys,
the
boys,
sir,
Ukasha.
So the
Ukasha,
last
where are
shell
you,
of
beta?
an
What is,
atom is called the
wait,
valence
wait,
shell.
wait, wait. Ukasha, where are you, beta? Please tell me what's valence shell. Amma Zahid, he just went somewhere. Abdul Awwal, some just open and he went somewhere. Usama, still you are not there, na? Okay, that's very good. Okay, just lower your hand, and I want an answer from every. Okay, just lower your hand, everybody. Just lower your hand.